Hi everyone, here I continue on topic 15, video number 2. I want to talk about conjugate method. Before I show you one example, I like to say, just to have your attention for just this formula. If I have a square root of a minus a square root of b multiple a square root of a plus a square root of b, so that's difference squared, so it's like this. A squared minus this, yes, so that's a minus b. Okay, so I can use this. So if I see radical in the limit, and if I see I have 0 over 0 and I need to make it clear, I can consider that if I see minus between two radicals or just one radical and another number, I can multiply with this. If I see this one, I can multiply with this one. Okay, so I can show you on one example. Remember, first I substitute the number in the limit, and if the answer is from real number, the answer is a number, so I don't even need to think about these things. Okay, so I substitute 0. It is radical 9 minus 3 divided by 0, which is, it is radical 9 plus 0 minus this divided by 0, which is 3 minus 3 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, it's not clear. I don't say it's undefined because it's approaching. It's not 0. It's approaching to 0, very close. Okay, so in this case, what do I see here? I see minus. So I can multiply the top with, which is radical 9 plus x minus this. I can multiply with, so I change the color, I can multiply with this. Then you would say, how about the denominator? I say, okay, I don't change it, it's the denominator is here. Then you would say, but you are changing the question because you are multiplying the top with something else. I say, if I multiply top and multiply bottom, if I add and subtract, if I, for example, add to both sides, if I multiply both sides, if I divide both sides, I don't change my equation in that case. Okay, so I multiply and divide at the same time. Okay, oh, when I multiply and divide at the same time, you see that I didn't do anything. So the question is still the same because you can cancel red and red, top and bottom. Why I don't cancel? Because I need it. Okay, I multiply. Then look at this. I have minus, I multiply with plus. Okay, if I have plus, I multiply with minus. Oh, okay, so it is limit, my goodness, it is limit 9 plus x, because radical so will be removed, minus 9, because for that one I do not have a radical 3, so I do 3 squared divided by x, multiply this. Don't forget you have something extra. Oh, okay, now I try to calculate and simplify. Okay, limit x goes to 0. What is 9 plus x minus 9? 9 and 9 cancel. Oh, okay, so let me change the color. 9 and 9 cancel. So then I have x over x this. Oh, I can cancel x and x. And that's good news because x goes to 0. And when I cancel x and x, and I can cancel because x is approaching to 0, is not 0. So mathematically, I'm not doing anything wrong. I can cancel. So then I have the problem removed, which is 0 over 0. What is left from top? Limit 1, not 0. Sometimes I see when a student, they cancel everything from top, they write 0. No, it's 1. 1 divided by this. Oh, okay. X goes to 0. Now substitute. When you substitute, if you see a still 0 over 0 exists, you have to do something else. But in this case, you see it is radical 9 plus 3, which is 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is the answer. Okay? 1 over 6. This one. For this one, when I substitute, I can see if I find common denominator and I simplify it, then I can remove the problem of 0 over 0. Let's just substitute. Remember, first you have to substitute. Okay, so this is 1 over 1 plus 0 minus 1 over 0, which is 1 minus 1 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, so it is limit 1 over 1 plus x. I want to simplify this fraction, so I do least. So what is least common denominator between 1 plus x and 1? That's 1 plus x. How do I know? Because it's 1 here. Okay, so I do 1. Okay, so I do 1 here. Yes, minus 1 over x. X goes to 0 equal, and I carry this until end because I didn't calculate limit. I have to carry this. So sometimes I see a student, they don't write it. They just continue, simplify, cancel this, and then find the answer. No, you are still finding the limit. Okay, limit this. So it is 1 minus 1 minus x over 1 plus x divided by x. Okay, maybe I do a step by step. So minus this plus, I need bracket. Limit x goes to 0. Okay. Yeah. Okay, equal. Limit 1 minus 1 minus x over 1 plus x multiple 1 over x. So I change division to multiplication and I flip it. Okay, so this is driving me crazy. Okay, so yeah, okay, x goes to 0, so I cancel 1 and 1, and then I have limit x goes to 0 minus x over 1 plus x here, because that's 1 over x. Oh, if I substitute, still I have 0 over 0. Okay, so if I substitute, I didn't remove the problem because I can cancel this and this, and then I have limit minus 1 over 1 plus x goes to 0. Now I substitute, that's minus 1 over 1, which is 1, minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. Okay, so first I substitute, and then I see, okay, I can find least common denominator, and then make it simplified, and then change division to multiplication, and then cancel x and x, and then you can find the answer by substitution, because the problem is removed. The problem is x over x, which makes it 0 over 0, and it's removed. How about this? When I substitute, I have 0 over 0. Okay, I change the color. I want to have, okay. So I substitute is 0 minus 2 squared minus 4 over 0. I know my handwriting bad. Okay, so 4 minus 4 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, so I have to, can I cancel from top and bottom? Can I factor? I can factor top, I can, but let's say I don't notice I can factor. Okay, so maybe I can show you both method. I can show you both method here. Okay. So, okay, so this one. Okay. So 1. Okay, so here. Limit x minus 2 squared minus 4 over x goes to 0. Okay, so limit x squared plus 4 minus 4x. Minus 4x, if I want to follow Pascal, it's this. X goes to 0. Can I cancel this and this? Yes. Okay. Now, if I substitute, still the problem exists. Still I have 0 over 0. Oh, okay. I can factor x. Oh, when I factor x, then I see I can cancel. And then I see it is limit. So maybe I change the color back to blue. Limit x minus 4, x goes to 0, which is minus 4. That's the answer. Okay, beautiful. So then I want to show you another method. Okay, limit. I can factor top. Do you remember? Difference square. Yes, it's x minus 2 minus 2 multiple x minus 2 plus 2 divided by x. X goes to 0. This is limit x goes to 0, x minus 4 multiple x over x. You can cancel x and x. This is limit. Okay, I just go back to blue. Okay, equal limit x minus 4, x goes to 0. Okay, which is minus 4. Both of them possible. In many cases, I see students are more comfortable with the left one because they can just expand. And even here it says expand. Okay, expand, which is here. So you saw all of these. You substitute, and when you just simplify it, maybe use difference square, maybe factor these things, then you can remove the problem. How about here? Okay, in this case, for example, for this question, I need to have simplify, I need to have common denominator, I need to have expand, I need to have all of them. Okay, doesn't matter, I can do it. So what happens if I substitute? When I substitute, it is 1 over 2 plus 0 squared minus 1 over 4 over 0, which is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, so I can show you all method, both method here that I'm thinking. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the first one I say, okay, let's just do common denominator. So it's 4 minus this divided by 4 multiple 2 plus x squared divided by x. X goes to 0. Remember, I am doing all of these because I see 0 over 0. Otherwise, I don't continue. I just have the answer. For example, if I substitute and I see the answer is 0, the answer is 0. Done. I don't need to do this. Okay, so this limit x goes to 0. So it's 4 minus 4 plus x squared plus 4x divided by 4 times 2 plus x squared multiple 1 over x. This is, okay, limit x goes to 0, 4 minus 4 minus x squared minus 4x over 4 multiple 2 plus x squared, 2 plus x squared, multiple 1 over x. So I can cancel 4 and 4. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so it is limit x goes to 0, minus x squared minus 4x divided by 4x multiple 2 plus x squared. Still the problem exists if I substitute. So now I factor this. Oh, okay, so it is this. X goes to 0. Then I can cancel this and this, and then I can say the answer is, when I substitute, the answer is minus 4 over 4 multiple 4, which is minus 1 over 4. Yes, that's the answer. Minus 1 over 4. So that's the answer, minus 1 over 4. Okay. The other method. I have 0 over 0, but then I notice I can factor top. Oh yes, it is 1 over 2 plus x minus 1 over 2 multiple 1 over 2 plus x plus 1 over 2 divided by x. X goes to 0. Okay, so now I can do common denominator. So it is 2 minus x over 2 multiple 2 plus x over 2 divided by x. X goes to 0. I need limit. I need the symbol until end when I calculate. Okay, see, I can cancel this guy and this guy, and then it is equal limit x goes to 0, minus x over 2 multiple 4 plus x over 2 divided by x. Okay, so which is limit. Problem still exists. If I substitute 0, problem is still there, 0 over 0. So it is minus x times 4 plus x divided by 4 multiple 1 over x. And now I can cancel x and x. Now what is the answer? The answer is minus 4. Let me see, I made a mistake somewhere maybe. Okay, so the answer is minus 1 over 4. Okay, so what did I do here? So 1 over 2 plus x minus 1 over 2, 1 plus 2 plus x plus 1 over 2, and this, and then I have 2 minus 2 minus x and 2 plus that. Yes. Okay, so and then I have, so what is wrong? Okay, so let me see. Okay, so, oh sorry, here is, what's wrong with me? Okay, so here is 2 multiple 2 plus x. Yes, and here is 2 multiple 2 plus x. Yes, yeah, common denominator. Okay, so it is minus x over 2 multiple 2 plus x, and this over 2 multiple 2 plus x, okay, and then it is minus x. So let me write it more beautiful. Okay, so it is yes, that's that, and then that one is here. Yes, so it's this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is minus x multiple 4 plus x multiple 4 multiple 2 plus x squared divided by x, which is minus x multiple 4 plus x over 4 multiple 2 plus x squared multiple 1 over x, and then I can cancel this and this, and then I can say it is limit x goes to 0 minus 4 plus x multiple 4 multiple 2 plus x squared, which is, when I substitute 0, it is minus 4 over 16, and that's 1 over 4, minus 1 over 4. Okay, I showed you this because I wanted you to see there are different methods. However, I know the left one is easier, but I can see in the right one I can, for example, go by factoring, and then I have to simplify, and then I need least common denominator. Okay, so in the right one I factor, then I find least common denominator, then I make the same denominators, then I simplify, and then I can do many methods in just solving. But here in the left one, so yes, I use all of them, but in just different order. Okay, so I want to show you that you can use different method to solve it, but for example, maybe you would say the left one is easier. Okay, okay, so yeah, now okay, so I'm just okay, I have to check something here. Okay, so here I can finish the video, and then I can continue in another video number 2, and then I continue in another one. Thank you so much. Bye.